Hello, welcome today to the Blue Oval Car Barn. Today we're going to talk about this Survivor Boss 302. If you've been following this on Facebook and on our YouTube channel, this was one of the survivors we found in the 4-car find in Alabama last year. So there was a Boss 429, there was a GT 500 Shelby, a Boss 351, and this 69 Boss 302. Now, this car was in some despair. It didn't look like this. We've buffed and polished it. It's still original paint. We've taken the original engine out and we've sent it off to have it repaired. Here's a picture of the internals in the original engine. As you can see, it was driven a little hard. This also has a 5-speed Doug Nash transmission in it, which we're going to keep in it. Currently, we have our service replacement Boss 302 engine in it, and we're going to drive it on the street as a street car until we get the original engine back. Then we'll somewhat make this car back to original. Now, the few things that I have with this car that is going to be a problem is someone cut a hole in the hood and put a shaker on it. 69 doesn't have a shaker, but I'm going to leave the shaker on it for a while. Then I'll probably patch the hood, keep the original paint, and just have a patch on it. I don't know what else to do. The interior's in great shape for an original car. I've still got to put the spoiler on the back. We just got the exhaust in it. We just got the car running. We're going to drive it as is for a while. I'm going to post a few pictures of it. I'm going to post a picture of the internals of the original numbers matching engine that's off having 3 sleeves put in it and all these components replaced and fixed and repaired. Obviously, the rev limiter was disconnected and someone missed a gear in this car and had a little bit of a catastrophic failure, but we're going to get that all corrected. Kuntz Machine over in Arkansas is fixing the block for me right now. It's going to be good as new. I look forward to getting this car out on the street. It's going to be a daily driver around here. Come by the car barn, let me know if you're coming, and I'll make sure it's here and I'll take you for a ride in it. Now, the Boss 351 is done. It's finished from that find, and we're going to post a picture of it right here as well. The Shelby is in assembly right now. All the paint is done on it. Here's a picture of it. The Boss 429 I sold to Dave up north. Dave, I hope you're doing really good things with that car. I will never build another Boss 429. I did it a couple of times. That's enough. Anyway, Calypso Coral Orange, 69 Boss 302, original interior, original paint. We'll have the original engine back in it next year. How can it get any better than that? See you again. Here's a few pictures of this car. I understand it's not original. Don't hate me, but I'm going to drive this car. I'm building it like I want it. I'll get it back to original when I get the engine back. Then everybody can simmer down. Thank you very much from the Blue Oval Car Barn, Finley Ledbetter. Come see us. Thank you.